Hi, good morning vloggers, good morning viewers. How are you today? It is May 16 here, 6 o'clock in the morning. Me and Philip going to buy water again today. We're gonna go early because there are so many people there, according to Philip, that they're falling in line, and not just one or two container, but they're bringing a lot of containers. So we're going there. Buy water again. They rearrange the here. There is a space. I can't.
Okay, that's enough.
Really? That's enough?
Yeah.
How many containers are there?
That's okay. We got 3, 6, 23. That's fine.
So where are you living now? Yeah, we're still here in the property. Turn around here in the corner.
God.
The sun pop up. All the chicken. So we're going up here in the corner.
It's a beast.
So that's our place there. You can see properly. Nice view. This is hilltop.
Oh, this road is terrible.
Very bad road. It's a hard road, really. Here. Oh, Jesus. This is it. Hala. So here we are. There's a sign here that nobody can pitch yet. I'm going to ask here. Wow, nice view. Wow. Yeah, there. Oh. Now we start pitching water.
Yeah, isn't it a lot of nice singing?
Yeah. So nice, really. I'm just wondering, there's no trees there. What a nice view here. Good thing I come up with you. So nice. Oh, this is their tank. This is my first time I saw this kind of tank. Different one. Ano na so do? Ano mo na sudli? Ah. Lagi mo glaig tabay kamo? Asa lagi? Asa man gikan ang tubig do? Kato dito sa lubi? Katong nagka ng tapok? Ay, kanara? Wow, the water came from there.
It comes from down there in the quarry.
Too far away.
Yeah.
Did you go there?
No.
Wow. It's so amazing.
They must have a deep well over there.
Yeah, deep well. Hand
What?
dig. So we're done now, guys. 24 gallons. Tado sa amin, te. Bye-bye, te. Okay. So we're leaving now. According to them, this is 12 hectares.
Yes?
Yeah.
Do they own that?
No. Chinese own it.
Well, Metzler. Up here.
Very nice view. Can you stop for a while? There. Oh wow, I can see the building. Can you stop for a while?
Yeah, very nice.
Okay. Hi guys, we just arrived from buying water. Very nice the view really there, guys. Uh, the owner is a foreigner from Australia. So what a fantastic view there. Uh, in fact, the water, I asked the lady who managed the place, we can drink that one. So I think we were going to try to drink water, but we were going to do a filter first. I'm going to ask the Philip, so we don't need to buy. Very pricey the water in town. That's 15 pesos per gallon. Them is only 4 pesos. So bye guys. Thank you for watching my video, and please share, like, comments. Have a nice day.